Okay, I got everything through. So relay's right here. Sits in that pocket right next to your Wi-Fi module if you've got a Yamaha. And then basically I ran this, which is what's going to connect to the battery. It's fused. And I ran that on the left side, and then I ran everything else. There's just 2 wires on the right side. And basically I'm just going to kind of tuck it right next to the stock wires, and then it goes kind of the same path along with the stock wires. I'm going to end up zip tying all this later, but just follows the stock wiring path. There's some more wiring right behind it. I'll zip tie it to that, and then it goes through here on the inside of this bracket here. And then it goes all the way out the front, and it will clip in right there to that clip. And then these are the wires for the headlights right here. So I'll just connect both of those up on either side of the bike. And this is what's going to go to the switch to power everything up. These 3 wires are going to be going into the bar switch, and this is what that looks like. It's super simple: left turn, right turn, headlights on and off, and your horn. But that's pretty much going to be the setup. And now I just gotta get everything wired together. I still haven't really done all of the wiring on this yet, but you guys are going to kind of learn along with me a little bit here.